Setting up the controller is easy. First of all, you have to add it to the network like a luminaire, so that the controller can be assigned to this particular network. First, tap on More. Then select the function Nearby Devices. To connect the controller to the network, you need to press the buttons below and 4 at the same time. Now it appears in the OcuAir app. Simply use it in your network. Go back to More and choose the Air controller. Here you can now assign the 4 keys of the controller. It is possible to assign a single luminaire, a group, or a scene to a key. There is also the possibility to assign one of the keys with all luminaires in the network. I'm going to do that with my first key here. I'm going to put a group on my second key, a luminaire to my third key. I'm going to choose the Mito Sospeso, and then a scene to my fourth key.